Thank you guys so much for tuning in thus far. I do gotta make some finishing touches on my WuTang Hashira. I'm super excited now, you guys. I'm gonna be ready for this anime raid that's coming up, as well as Halloween, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and keep working on this. All right, you guys, so my Demon Slayer cloak is complete, so let's go ahead and finish the costume. I did add some belt loops. I added 1, 2, and 3, one in the back, so that way the belt stays in place, right? Guys, let's go ahead and put on the Wu Hashira cloak. Oh Lord, before I put it on, let me show you guys one more up close. As you can see over here, I don't have any embroideries on the sleeve. I wanted to leave the sleeve just a plain old checker, but I wanted my cloak to be loose, more loose and baggier than what the cloak was that came with the costume. WuTang, WuTang. The WuTang Hashira. I do have my sword coming in, and I also got a headpiece that I'm gonna have on as well to go with the entire fit. I even got the little shoe things on. Yeah. So far, so good. I think this is gonna be my go-to costume from here on out until I make something else. You best protect your neck. All right, y'all, here is the final update of the Wu Hashira Demon Slayer Core costume. This costume took me 3 days to work on, you guys, but check it out. Starting from the top, I got my beanie with my matching sunflower yellow do-rag on. Check it, check it, check it. Of course, I got my Wu Hashira cloak to go with my Demon Slayer costume. But I have the basic Demon Slayer core costume on. As you can see, I got a little prop sword. I was thinking of like adding some yellow detail to it, but it's all good. All right, let me get my cloak back on. This is definitely gonna be my costume for the next couple years or so. So be sure to look out for the WuTang Hashira coming to an event near you. Peace.